Hi fellas, a new video from me is CFL Repair. Recently this CFL stopped working. When I flipped the switch I could see a very tiny red glow near the base where this tube goes into the plastic base. I see a tiny red glow. Most likely it's gonna be caused by problem that starting cap shorted. I'm gonna copy paste a picture or schematic of the, not this bulb in particular, but in every bulb that capacitor is located in exactly the same spot, and you will see this picture right about now. So this capacitor is located between two filaments, and just by looking at it you could probably see that this fella here looks a little bit dark, and this is a current limiting cap, this is starting cap, and believe it or not, when I tested it with my DMM it beeped, so capacitor is bad. Next, you need to replace it with preferably same value. Could be higher in voltage, could be ceramic cap, and in my case this cap is, let me check it because I haven't. Oh boy, it's kinda hard to read here. 2.7 nanofarads. So I can replace it with 2.7 nanofarads or 2.2 nanofarads. You can experiment with values, but if you pick a wrong value the lamp ain't gonna start. So yeah, I'm gonna replace that capacitor with the ones that I will find from in my junk box, whatever, which I took from other CFLs that had dead bulbs and dead ballasts but good capacitors. Let me find it. It didn't took so long to find the value. Closest I could find is 3.3 nanofarads rated for 1.2 kilovolts. Focus, please. Can make it out, barely. So I'm gonna put it in and show you that it's gonna work. But first I'm gonna plug it in as is and you'll see what I'm talking about. Alright, I'm gonna turn off the lights. These two bulbs is for ballasting. And I plug it in. You see that it's glowing red. Right here where the filaments are. Here is the one sneak peek for you again, because it's kinda not healthy to do it for a long time, so I'm gonna show you just enough. It's easy to see. So I'm gonna change that cap and you'll see that it will start right up. And here how I desolder it. Take my soldering gun, could be iron, and just pry one-legged ones. Heat it up, pry it away. Heat it up, pry it away. Few cycles like that, and this sucker is here. Alright, and here's a quick tip how I clean up the holes for a new part, and when I'm too lazy to use a solder rig. All I need is a toothpick and your soldering iron or gun. Just heat it up, hit the joint, and just push a toothpick in the hole, and that's it. The key here is using wood or other stuff which will not attract solder onto it, and result is quite a nice hole. I'm gonna replace it, that fella with this fella, Yeah, kinda. Yep, pops right in. Let's gonna solder it up. There you can see, quite a nice joint. Here you can see, probably these two is a little bit of flux residue. Gonna clean away that residue and gonna put it back together because I know that it's gonna work. Let me do this. Alright, flux residue is out of town, and here we go. It lights up! What a surprise! Not really. As I mentioned, it starts right up. If you choose a capacitor that is way bigger than there is need for, it probably will burn the filaments way more than there is need for. You need just a cap that will warm up filaments just enough for the lamp to start up. If you use too small value, it ain't gonna start up. If you use too large value, it probably will take longer to start up, but I don't know for sure. But if you're using right value, it should start right up, like that. Click, and there it is. Thanks for watching. See ya.